Every great project starts with a clear vision. At Hedlunds Engineering, we deliver modern solutions for timber handling, guiding our customers from first idea to consistently reliable performance in full operation. By combining traditional know-how with cutting-edge technology, our engineers create precise, customer-adapted designs. Using 3D scans, point clouds, and global reference systems, we coordinate every step efficiently, enabling faster decisions and better results. We invite our clients to step inside their future facility through virtual reality. This interactive approach engages operators and technicians early on, ensuring safer workflows and a workplace shaped by those who know it best. For over 50 years, we have developed and built our machines in Sweden. With high-quality components and craftsmanship at every stage, we strive not only to meet expectations, but to exceed them. From design to delivery, our machines are engineered with the user in focus. Robust mechanics combined with world-class control systems ensure exceptional reliability, high throughput, and long-term efficiency. Safeguarded by our dedicated service and close involvement all the way into operation. We are Hedlunds, a trusted partner, modern engineering, and solutions built to perform today and for decades to come. We call it the Hedlunds Experience.